In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Today, we will talk about a very important topic: how Islam came into this world, when it came, and how it spread across the globe. Before Islam, the world was in a state known as Jahiliyyah, meaning ignorance. People had forgotten the true message of Allah. Idol worship was common. Oppression was widespread, and there was no proper system of justice. Humanity had lost its direction. At that time, Allah sent his final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a mercy to all mankind. When did Islam begin? Islam began in the 7th century, around the year 610 AD, in the city of Makkah, Mecca, which is in present-day Saudi Arabia. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 40 years old when he received the first revelation from Allah through the angel Gabriel, in the cave of Hira. The first words revealed were, "Read in the name of your Lord who created." This was the beginning of Islam. How did Islam start? At first, the Prophet, peace be upon him, quietly shared the message of Islam with close family and friends. The message was simple. Worship only one God, Allah. Leave idol worship. Speak the truth. Help the poor. Be just and kind. But the leaders of Makkah opposed this message because it challenged their power and traditions. Muslims were tortured, boycotted, and faced severe hardships. The Hijra, migration. After years of persecution, Allah commanded the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his followers to migrate to Medina in 622 AD. This event is called the Hijra, and it marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, Islam began to grow stronger. A peaceful Islamic society was established based on justice, brotherhood, and faith. How did Islam spread? Islam spread in several ways. Through character and truth. The Prophet, PBUH, was known for his honesty and kindness. People accepted Islam by seeing his character. Through preaching, dawah, the message of Islam was shared peacefully and wisely. There was no force in accepting Islam. Through justice and equality, Islam gave rights to women, orphans, and the poor. It created a system where everyone was equal before Allah. Through expansion, after the Prophet, peace be upon him, Islam spread to many regions including Arabia, Persia, Iran, Egypt, Syria, North Africa, Spain, South Asia. This spread happened over many years through trade, scholars, and rulers. The final message. Islam is the final and complete religion sent by Allah for all humanity. The Quran is the final holy book, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last messenger. Islam teaches peace, justice, mercy, worship of one Allah. Conclusion. Dear listeners, Islam did not spread by force, but by truth, patience, and strong character. It changed the lives of millions and brought light to a dark world. May Allah guide us to understand Islam properly and follow its teachings in our lives. Ameen.